When you feel too broken to begin again, have you ever tried before and it didn't work? The idea fizzled, the launch flopped, the motivation disappeared. Now, even thinking about starting again feels exhausting. If that's you, this video will help you see your situation differently. Feeling too broken to begin again usually means you're carrying shame from past attempts. In this video, we talk about why those past efforts weren't failures, they were data. They showed you what didn't work, what you learned, and how much stronger you actually are now. You'll hear why starting again doesn't mean going back to zero. You're starting from experience, wisdom, and awareness you didn't have before. This message is especially important for beginners who want to start an online business but feel held back by fear of repeating mistakes. You don't need to erase the past. You need to process it, release it, and rebuild from a steadier place. The magic of Starting Over Digital Kit is designed to help you do exactly that. It guides you through letting go of shame, reframing past experiences, and creating a new beginning that feels aligned and doable, especially if you're exploring done for you digital products or resale rights kits as a simpler way to start.